Hi, this is not Cell, but welcome to another room tour. Standard quintuple room, as its name implies, is set for 5 persons. This room has 5 single beds. Upon entering the room, one can see large and tall cabinets on the right side, while on the left side is the comfort room, which was fortunately clean when we checked in. Everything worked well except that we had difficulty turning the water off every single time. Anyway, just like any other standard accommodation, towels are provided so you don't have to worry. This room is equipped with a television, a Wi-Fi connection, a mini refrigerator, and is air conditioned. A simple vanity area is right behind the counter. For guests checking in, I recommend reading the rules, regulations, and some notes which will be helpful during your stay. Overall, we had a good overnight stay at the hotel, and we were lucky that it didn't rain because the ceiling might have caused a problem. The next day, we had our breakfast at Verde Restaurant, which was just a few walks upstairs and was located beside Phase 1 pool. Before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you for being here. This little channel has just reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm happy and nervous at the same time. But let's stop counting the numbers from here and continue doing what we're doing.
Do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder if you're looking back at me.
Oh, tulog na. Oh my God.
I don't wanna sing you another classic lullaby.
Welcome to my vlog! Dali, mag-hi ka!
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Wala naman energy. Energy ah. Sige na.
Wait na.
Naka-video na tayo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yung mas energetic ah.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.